What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we got the party box from JBL, the Encore Essential, that we're going to try out on this channel for the first time and see how good this speaker is. Now the biggest difference between this and the JBL Encore, the regular version, is that the regular version has a little bit more LED lights in the front, and you get two microphones as well within the box. And I think it has a little bit more battery life in case you want to take it outside or something like that. So let's just see what ChatGPT has to say about this beautiful speaker. Oh, sorry. So let's see. The JBL PartyBox Essential is a portable party speaker. It provides 100 watts of output power. Pretty awesome. Built-in light show, as you can see in the front. It is IPX4 splash proof, so it isn't waterproof like the JBL Extreme 4 that I tried out, Extreme 3 that I tried out last week. The speaker also includes, so it is not included in this one, but I think it's in the other box, the regular version that includes the wired microphones. But we're gonna see. You can pair two speakers wirelessly using the true wireless blah blah. So yeah, and as you can see the price there, I bought it in the beginning of January together with the JBL Extreme 3, and it was on a discount, which make it was around 2,300 Swedish crowns. I don't know how much that is in dollars. I will check it out later, but it was, I think it was like 500 off the retail price that they sell it at. So I think that's a pretty good deal for this speaker actually, because I wanted a speaker like this, and I want to try something new out as well on this channel. So, and we're gonna compare it to the JBL Extreme 3. Not compare it, but we're gonna see how good something like this is compared to something like JBL Extreme 3, and we're gonna compare it to some of my Sonos speakers as well. We're gonna compare it to one 5 and one Era 300 to see what something like this at this price range is compared to something like the Sonos speakers. So what we're gonna do is unbox it and try it out for the first time. Let's go. So here's the speaker. It's just a regular cord inside of that mini box in it as well. But this is the speaker. One side. And then we got the back side. And we got all the different inputs that you have. USB-A, microphone, auxiliary, and etc. So that's the and then you got the front, and this is on top of it. You got bass boost button on top, and power on, Bluetooth. So let me just turn it on and connect it. I'll be right back. So we are connected and in the app. As you can see, there is a software update. We're gonna wait with that. I just want to show you some things within the app. You can change the color, as you can see: rock, flow, cross, ripple, flash, in case you want that. You can color pick as well. So the equalizer, we're not gonna touch it because we want to try it out straight out of the box like we did with the JBL Extreme 3. And if you want to see what the size difference is, this is the size difference between these two. But well, you know what, I'm just gonna quickly do the software update and then we're gonna try it out for the first time. Let's go.
Money work. El mundo quiere dinero. Money work. Se arregla con dinero. Money work. Si me quiero educar, dormir en algún lugar, un lugar para trabajar, y si no hay para emigrar. Todo el dinero, solo un par de gente se lleva el botín entero. Funny, pasa verdadero. Si tienes lo verde siempre llegará primero, pero llegaremos antes o después. Solo a lo suyo que Dios lo ve, que por más que tarde lo veré caer. Somos más lo bueno y tenemos dinero, ya lo veré. Yo vendo mi alma, lo lograré. Seré el más grande, no olvidaré de dónde vengo ni cómo voy. Money work. El mundo quiere dinero. Money work. Se arregla con dinero. Money work. Yo digo las cosas como son. No quiero ninguna aceptación. Tampoco vengo a pedir perdón porque mis sentimientos se volvieron la canción. Yeah. No me vale mucho como tú me ves. Sabes, tú me llegas solo a los pies. Para mí ser grande es un interés. Ser un buen humano para mí es un deber. El dinero ya lo veré. No vendo mi alma, lo lograré. Seré el más grande, no olvidaré de dónde vengo ni cómo voy. Money work. Yeah. El mundo quiere dinero. Money work. Se arregla con dinero. Money work. Corazón, de corazón. La plata no te hace ser feliz. Yeah, de corazón, yeah. La plata no te hace ser feliz. Money work. El mundo quiere dinero. Yeah. Money work. Se arregla con dinero. Money work. Lunático.
So guys, that was the little test of the party box, the JBL Encore Essential. Now this is my first party box, so keep that in mind. I cannot really say how good this is compared to other JBL party boxes, but let me just say it has some amazing features within the app and on the speaker itself. As you can see, when I was turning down the volume, it showed you pretty much what volume you're at with the light in the front, which is a pretty awesome feature. And the sound is awesome as well, and the LED in the front does some show while you play music, and I think this party box is definitely worth the price. The bass was awesome already. Like I didn't change any settings at all in this video test that I did. Straight out of the box already sounds awesome. In tomorrow's test, when I'm gonna compare it, not compare it, but we're gonna see what the JBL Extreme is compared to something like this. I'm gonna put some settings on both and we're gonna see what this does. Now the bass was already amazing. Like JBL and bass is something, because I bought a pair of headphones as well from JBL recently, and let me tell you, there is something about JBL and bass that does that extremely well. Like the bass on this was already amazing straight out of the box. the JBL Extreme 3, amazing bass in that as well, and the headphones. I bought the JBL Live Beam 3, so if you guys want me to review that, I can review that as well. But the JBL Live Beam 3, amazing bass, and the sound is amazing on those headphones as well. But yeah, so if you have this party box, the Essential, the Encore Essential, or the Encore itself, comment down below what you think about these bad boys, because I think this sounds really good. I think it's definitely worth the price. Even at retail price, it doesn't cost that much. I didn't think it is $250 brand new. 2,800, as I could see it brand new from JBL's website, so 2,800 Swedish crowns, which, let me just check how much that is so we can get. Okay, dollars. So I bought this for 2,380, I think. So that's $200 for this brand new from JBL's website. Without that discount, it is 2,800, so $240-ish dollars. $40 discount. It is what it is. But at retail, I think even it's definitely worth the price, because it is an awesome speaker. You can carry around the Sonos speakers. I know you're not supposed to compare those type of speakers with something like this, but Sonos has Sonos Move, and I think that's way overpriced for what you get with the Sonos Move. But this is definitely worth the price, because you can get two of these for the pair of one Sonos Move 2. Keep that in mind. So yeah, comment down below if you have this, or if you're planning on buying this, and what you're planning on using it for, because this is an awesome speaker. So until next time, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see y'all then. Bye.